Lindsay and Anson's idea for their flat drew inspiration from their roots in Hanoi, Vietnam. With Hanoi being greatly influenced by French culture, my design approach focuses on fine detailing, the use of natural materials, and gold accents for that understated luxury of French interiors. This gives them a space that is both timeless and nostalgic. My name is Siew and I'm from the Interior Lab. This is my modern French project. This 4-bedder condo is 170 square meter, a good fit for a family of 3, along with their cat and helper. They consulted a feng shui master to advise them on the furniture placement. The kitchen was reconfigured into an open layout. An open concept gets rid of any sense of isolation and also establishes a seamless connection with the living space. We added a layer of false wall to hide the TV cables and to add wainscoting details. We have white carpentry with rattan panels for shoe and storage cabinets by the entrance. It echoes the overall design theme that you will see throughout the house. Lindsay liked the idea of a kitchen that keeps her connected to the family while she cooks. They wanted to introduce some green in the kitchen. I use it to create a visual segmentation. One side is for cooking, while the green section is for their appliances. The living space has a clean look refined by wainscoting and decorative lights. The TV console they bought ties in well with the surrounding design, with soft furnishing, creating a cozy vibe. I also added a lime wash feature to add subtle texture. Beside the living area is my favorite part. We have a beautiful pantry and bar combo. They like various types of beverages, from tea and coffee to wine and whiskey. So having this type of setup is perfect for them. The main idea was to prioritize form just a little bit more than function. It has eye-catching details but provides ample storage. Their family takes their meals at the balcony as they enjoy alfresco dining. I added a planter so they could add some greenery. They painted it with lime wash themselves as a family activity. It feels like having a charming cafe corner at home. For the guest bathroom, they wanted something that stood out. We decided on these green herringbone tiles that bring a calming effect. They bought this irregular shaped mirror that adds a soft, playful touch. Their son's room was given a refresh with new laminates and a fresh coat of paint. In the master bedroom, we have more arcs, rattan and wooden elements. They have full-height cabinets that mix open and closed sections to avoid a dense visual weight. With the space constraint, I created niches in the built-in headboard in place of needing bedside tables.
The best words to describe living in this space are peaceful and grounding. It's absolutely our sanctuary. To us, when we design the house together with Kay, the house has to pay homage to where we came from, and we also want to bring with us the elements of our upbringing, our history, the life experiences that we have into the home. Every piece of furniture or decors in this place have been what we collected over the years, or even from our family homes. It represents who we are, and we really want to bring part of us in the space that we live every day.